Namaste students, Mesha Khushro Vitia. I am JVN's Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So we are here to discuss the topic that is production of inoculum, and this topic was incomplete in previous lecture. So here we go. So what is the inoculum and why it is needed? So inoculum is the initial microorganisms so which are used for the fermentation purpose or the production purpose. So the purpose of the production of inoculum is to decrease the lag phase. Okay, so the decrease in the lag phase will result in the economic profit for the industrial persons. Okay, so the main aim of the development of inoculum is to decrease the lag phase, because lag phase is correlated with the wastage of time and culture media, or overall the economy is affected by the increased lag phase. So there are many things which associated with the lag phase, that the bacterial inoculum should transfer when the cells are still metabolically active. So when for the development of the inoculum, we have to kept in mind the thing that use the microorganisms which are still in metabolically active phase. Okay, that is in log phase. So we have discussed various introductory part and the basics of the inoculum and why it is needed and what is the lag phase and how it is affected. So here we are taking example of production of vitamin B12 from the Pseudomonas denitrificans, production of the inoculum. So we will take the stock culture, means the basic starting culture, by lyophilizing the skim milk. Okay, skim milk is the milk powder which is milk without the fat. Okay, so you will lyophilize, means dehydrated the sample in the chilled condition and use this as a starting inoculum. So the maintenance culture means you will prepare the agar slopes and maintain this inoculum on the agar slopes for 4 days at 28 degrees Celsius. Then we will go for the first stage, that is the seed culture. Okay, so in this we will take a flask of 2 decimeter cube capacity and we will put 0.6 decimeter cube medium, and we will inoculate with the culture from the one slope. So the slopes which you have prepared here, you will take the one slope and seed inoculate in the this much of the medium, 0.06 decimeter cube medium, and you will incubate it for 48 hours at 28 degree Celsius. Okay, then next stage is the second stage, that is the seed culture. Okay, so here you will scale up the process, means the fermenter size is here 40 to 80 decimeter cube, so it is a larger one, and you will have here the medium of around 25 to 50 decimeter cube. Okay, and from the first stage seed culture you will take 1 to 1.2% of the initial culture. So if it is the 100, then you will use the inoculum 1 to 1.2. Okay, and again you will incubate this at 32 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 hours. Then next step is the production culture. So here we are preparing the inoculum, and here we are using it as a production. So we will further scale up, and we will use the higher capacity fermenter, that is 500 decimeter cube, and the medium which we will take here is 300 decimeter cube, and we will take the 5% second stage seed culture. Okay, so second stage seed culture means the culture which is prepared here, we will take 5%. Means if suppose you are having 100 ml here, then you will use 1 ml of this culture, second stage culture. Sorry, 5% means if you are having the 100 ml of the medium here in the production culture, then you will take 5 ml of the second stage culture. Then you will inoculate and incubate it at 32 degrees Celsius for 140 to 160 hours. So this is the production of the inoculum. Okay, so this is an example, and thank you, and hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please write in the comment box. And this is powered by digital version 2 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University Jaipur. Thank you.